All the Bhakti Sampradayas, they take this whole thing from Bhagavad Gita, you understand how to do Sharanagati. And then they say, Sharanagati is what? Worship only Vishnu. This is Sharanagati. So if you worship any other Devata, you are Samsari. If you worship only Vishnu, that is Sharanagati. Then they will use that last verse. Last verse as per the Shadlingas. Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam Vraja. So whole Bhagavad Gita is kind of dismissed with that one verse by these fellows, by people who fail to understand the subject matter of Gita. Then the whole Bhagavad Gita is negated by this one verse. Avalya sab karma chhod do, go surrender to Vishnu, and then you will get Vaikuntha. Aham tva sarva papebhyam mokshayishyami maścha. The whole Bhagavad Gita is kind of leading you towards that Sharanagati, this kind of an upasana. Thereby you surrender to Vishnu. But Sarva Dharman Parityajya, having given up all dharma, this is not a physical event. It is impossible to physically give up all karma. So all dharma represents all karma. In fact, Bhakti Sampradayas use this vakya to give up to be done karma. Shastra Vihita, Shrutya Choditam karma is encouraged to be given up. But Shrutya Choditam karma can be given up only by a sadhu, sannyasi. But this verse is picked up, Sarva Dharman Parityajya. And then all the Bhakti Acharyas, they have encouraged people. Forget about these yajnas. They do bhakti to Bhagavan. That will remove your papa. You will get Vaikuntha. But really, any highest loka, any loka is an outcome of punya. Punya is known only by Shastram. Shastram Pramanam, that you will get punyam. And then that punyam is gained only by Shastra Vihita Karma. Shastra Vihita Karma performed properly, or Shastra Vihita Karma and Upasana, only then the result is there. हमको ऐसा लग गया तो रिजल्ट जोड़ दो, ऐसा नहीं होता है ना. So you are not these people are not the pramana for how people should get punya. कौन सा कर्म करके पुण्य मिलेगा? No one has a say. This is Shastra Vishaya, Veda Vishaya. So Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mam Ekam Sharanam Vraja. Here Sharanam is recognition of Vasudeva Sarvam. And then as I said, Mundaka Upanishad, Shiyante Chasya Karmani Tasmin Drishte Paravar. Karmas are gone when you recognize that there is only Bhagavan. So this is not something like, oh, you resort to Vishnu, other Devata you don't worship. This is one fellow quoted, one Mahatma. This is Sharanagati. Otherwise you are in samsara. Not recognizing what is taught in Bhagavad Gita. So karmani akarma darshanam, sarvatra brahma darshanam, yomam pashyati sarvatra, sarvam chamai pashyati. Sarvani bhutani mai drakshasi atmani cha, drakshasi atman yatho mai. Sarvabhutas tamatmanam, sarvabhutani chatmani. Vasudeva sarvam, brahmarpanam brahmahave. All consistent, very consistent teaching. The second chapter, Sarvagataha Sthanuhu Nitya Achalaha Atma. Sarvagataha. So Upasamhara is very clear. The Upasamhara will not be something opposed to what was taught, right? So Upasamhara will be the same what was taught. And what was taught is knowledge, not a vidhi, how you should do upasana. That's not taught. And we don't see Arjuna sitting and doing some some karma after Bhagavan teaching. Oh, I have understood what you have taught. Now I will practice that. I will do it and then I will achieve it. Arjuna doesn't do that.